Welcome to our quick guide on using voice cloning integrated with AI text-to-speech and voice isolator. To begin, click on voice cloning in the left sidebar. First, decide whether you would like to create a new voice or retrain an existing one. If retraining, select the desired voice from the drop-down menu and use Retrain Voice button. For a new voice, simply enter a name. Next, upload your audio samples by dragging and dropping an MP3 file into the designated area. You'll then need to select the gender of the voice you're working with. You can also optionally add a short description to further define the voice's tone or accent if you wish. Once you have everything set, click on the Create Voice. This will initiate the voice processing stage. Upon completion of the process, navigate to AI Text-to-Speech on right side tab. Here is where you'll witness your voice in action. Select your language and choose one of your newly created or retrained voices. Type your desired text into the box provided below. For listening options, click Listen to hear a preview of the synthetic voice narration.
Hello, my name is Alex, and this is a sample voice recording for cloning purposes.
Select Synthesize to generate and save the final audio product. If you want to enhance your audio quality by separating voice from unwanted background noise, you can use Voice Isolator. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Voice Isolator. Next, prepare to upload your audio file. Once your file is uploaded, the AI will take over. It automatically isolates the primary voice from any background noise, ensuring clarity and focus on the speaker's voice. After processing, you will receive a clean, crisp version of your audio. There you have it. You're now equipped to create personalized voices and generated high-quality audio with improved clarity ease.